Good evening, everyone. I'm meteorologist Haley LaPointe. Here's a look at your updated forecast. So today we had sunshine, beautiful weather, but things are about to change in a big way as we get into Sunday. Now, most of the daylight hours on Sunday will have just a few scattered showers coming through, but overnight Sunday into Monday, we've got a nor'easter, a coastal system that's going to move right up throughout New England, and it's going to bring very heavy rainfall and also some strong gusty winds. So here's the timing of it. Again, scattered showers on Sunday. That's not even really the main event. It really kicks into high gear overnight. That's when the heaviest rain will come in Sunday night into Monday morning. Flooding is possible. Some minor river rises, especially up in the Lakes region and northward, where we're expecting at least a few minor river rises. Then urban and poor drainage areas, there could be some flooding there as well. Then on the flip side, wind damage is possible with some gusts near 50 miles per hour early on Monday, and it continues even into Monday afternoon. We could have some strong gusts up near 40 miles per hour at that time as the system exits. Not much happening now. Overnight tonight, the clouds are going to start to build in. You see the rain off toward the west of us. That's a cold front. Now, this is going to be a very complex system because, as you see here, this doesn't look all that impressive. But eventually, this cold front's actually going to pick up some moisture that's down over Florida here. This is actually a tropical depression, not a hurricane. But it's going to get some of this moisture. The low pressure system and the cold front to the north of us is going to grab onto this moisture, and essentially it's going to strengthen very quickly as it moves up the coastline during the day tomorrow, and then eventually overnight Sunday into Monday. On top of us, it strengthens into a low pressure system, a nor'easter, and it will bring in some heavy rainfall, but maybe most concerning, some gusty winds. Here's the timing of it all in Futurecast. So overnight tonight, clouds will start to increase. Now tomorrow, if you have plans to be outdoors, I wouldn't necessarily cancel them because we'll have scattered showers moving through. It's not the bulk of the heavy rain, but there certainly will be some rounds of showers as we get into the day, into the afternoon too. If you're going down to the Patriots game, we might actually luck out where it'll be just scattered showers. The heavy bulk of the rain, look at this, comes through during the overnight and in the early part of Monday. Look at this, some very heavy downpours of rain, and it continues into Monday morning. Even in the afternoon, there might be some showers that continue, eventually clearing Monday afternoon and evening. But the strongest winds along with that heavy rain will come through in the pre-dawn hours on Monday. How much rain are we looking at? Well, I would say easily a good 1 to 3 inches. Some of the heavier downpours may produce up to 3 inches of rainfall. So because of that threat and how saturated the ground is after we've already had some heavy rain earlier this week, there is a flash flood watch for the entire state. Now on the flip side, as I mentioned, the winds might be the bigger story here. Tomorrow during the daylight hours, it's a little breezy, but once we get after dark, watch how the winds pick up. Now, I don't think it's going to be this strong. I know you're seeing 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts on this computer model. I think this one overdoing it a little bit. But this goes to show you that there could be some gusts that easily get to 50 miles per hour, especially in southeastern New Hampshire, and that can cause damage. Down power lines, we have leaves still on the trees, so it's going to be a concern as we push forward here. And even into Monday afternoon, still some gusts up near 40 miles per hour. The winds don't die down until late Monday night. Overnight tonight, no storm tonight. Temperatures in the 40s, 50s. Tomorrow we'll get up into the low 60s in a lot of spots. Heaviest rain comes in overnight into Monday morning. Then as we progress late into the day Monday, that storm gets on out of here. So if there's trick-or-treating in your town Monday night, that should be fine. Certainly Tuesday looks good. It'll be chilly. And then we have some cooler temperatures as we get into midweek. Another round of rain showers on Thursday into Friday.